It's June 26th, about 20 after 4, and the sun hits my house and hits the garage door in the afternoon. And if I take my heat gun here, I'm getting 128.5 degrees out of where the sun's hitting. If I do it up higher, it's still 123. So let's go inside and see what we get when we go inside and look at the interior garage door. So right down here is my interior garage door. $84.5 is what I'm reading. Okay, we go into the garage, and let me turn the light out. You can see how dark it is. Damn dark. And turn the light back on. And let's hit the top of the garage door right here. Do it again. 116. Inside the garage door. 104. Middle of the garage door. 109, 111. 114. I've had it as hot as 130 in here. Now, this door that we have, see the light that comes in the end? It's a very, very thin steel door, and when they have the attachments that go through it, the screws, tough to see here, but the screws go right through the metal. See it right there? Very, very thin, flimsy door that obviously does nothing for me in terms of energy efficiency, the sound that it makes when the wind blows, all that.